Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the interested candidates may join in that group guys. The link I kept in the description box of this video. And in this video we are going to see the immediate recruitment of the lecturers from one of the degree college. So it is a very good opportunity guys. And if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then tap the bell icon, and please share this video also to your friends or colleagues.
So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UGC NET Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards, for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. So here the different subscription plans are mentioned on the screen. You may take any one of the subscription plan based upon when you are planning to write the exam. And here my referral code is also mentioned, that is Ashwani K. Okay, if you want to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plans, then you may use my referral code.
And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the picture may looking somewhat blur, but I think you can understand. Okay, here the wanted lectures from the Aditya Degree College, and here the contact numbers are also there. So here to teach the lectures they want to teach to BSc, BCA, BBA, BCom classes in the following subjects in our degree colleges at North Andhra and Godavari districts. And you may check the subjects here: maths, computers, artificial intelligence, commerce, microbiology, digital marketing, physics, statistics, data sciences, management, biochemistry, English, next chemistry, electronics and animation, forensic science, biotechnology and Telugu. And apart from this one, here the faculty are also required for the arithmetic, reasoning and the soft skills, and the librarians, lab demonstrators for all science labs, and the hardware technicians for computer labs also required. So whoever the interested candidates are there, that means the candidates who are having the post graduation. So even though the UGC NET or the PhD is not there, then it's also fine, not a problem. So if you're having the post graduation in these departments, then you may apply guys. It is a very good opportunity, and the college is also a very good college. You are going to get the very good salary, fine. So interested candidates may send their resume to here the email ID is given, career@aditya.ac.in immediately. And the selection procedure is, first they will conduct the written test, and then one interview will be there, and then the selection will be happens. So here attend the written test on 31st Jan 2021, that means on Sunday. Here the different test centers are there. I will show you the test centers in the official website of this Aditya Degree College. Okay, so attractive salary for the deserving candidates. And coming to the contact number 0884-237-6665, or the mobile number is also there, just note down 970-437-6667. So if you are having any queries regarding this notification, then you may contact to these numbers guys. And coming to the, it is official website of this Aditya Degree College. Okay, and you may check down here the details of examination centers. So total 14 examination centers are there: Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, Gopalapatnam and Gazuvaka, Kakinada, Rajahmundry, Amalapuram, Tuni, Palakol, Bhimavaram, Tadepalligudem, Eluru and Vijayawada. Fine. So total these are the 14 different places are there to write the exam. And here the contact numbers are also given. If you are having any queries regarding the examination center, you may contact to these numbers guys. Fine. So it is a recruitment notification from this Aditya Degree College. Okay, it is a very good educational group. So I am suggesting you, if you are interested and if you are planning to work somewhere in very good college, then you may apply to this one. Okay, attend the written test guys. So for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.